Okay, so I just finished my Black Galaxy Granite Epoxy sample, and this turned out absolutely stunning. It's still wet, so you can see some of the curvature in the reflection of the light, but it is absolutely beautiful. So if I go a little bit further where the light is actually off and I move from left to right, you can see the glitter really shows up nicely. I'll do a little close up here. And if I go straight down, you can see how it glitters beautifully. It doesn't do any justice on this video compared to what it actually looks like. It's just amazing. There, that shows a little bit of the glittering effects.